Hello, I'm excited to be talking to you today about Skilled Hands Organization. You might have heard of it or you might not have heard of it. So Skilled Hands Organization is a charity based in Nottingham that empowers women through artisan craft workshops. Basically, we run crafts and arts and crafts workshops for women. This is to bring women together on a common platform and to be doing something they love. Currently, our area of training are in dressmaking, bag making, millinery, jewelry making, and soap making. Those are our current areas of training. Going forward, we may be adding more, taking out some, just to give variation. But today's video is to talk to you about our up-and-coming bag making class, which will be starting on the 7th of February. So to be able to join this workshop for free, you must be a woman living in Nottingham, UK, and you must be unemployed or low income. I have to specify because this video will be put on social media and everyone can have access to it, and sometimes we tend to have other people who don't live in Nottingham asking to join the class. This will be an in-person session, so you're going to have to come over to our training center to receive this training. It's going to be for 2 hours, and we're going to meet every Tuesday starting from the 7th of February this year from 9:30 to 12 o'clock p.m. The venue for this session is the Castle Cavendish Enterprise Center, 63 to 67 St. Peter Street, NG7 3EN. It's entirely free. If you meet our criteria like I had mentioned earlier, you only have to come up with a benefit document to prove that you are unemployed or low income and you receive benefits. But if you do not meet this criteria but you still want to be part of our sessions, then you have to pay for the session to be part of it, just so that we can be able to buy materials and other things. So if you want to join the session but pay for it, you can also reach us and we can talk further. I'd like to show you a few of the bags you'll be making if you happen to come to this session. So these are the flat packed bags we've done, quite a number of them. So these are like passport pouches. You learn how to do all of these in the bag making class. Quite a number of them I'm going to be showing you. You learn how to do this bag, which I currently use. Personally, I've been using it for over a year and it's still strong. So you learn how to make these bags as well with all the hardware provided for you. It's going to be a 10 weeks class, so you'll be able to produce 10 bags before you leave us. The thing is that you would have to leave some of your works with us so that we'll be able to sell them, make extra income for the organization, to keep it running for other people to be able to join us as well. So you learn how to do all of these. Coin purse, we will provide you with the stencils. You learn how to do your own stencil and then we get on with it. So these are some of the things you will be doing. You learn how to insert zips in bags, and quite a number of them, or like a tablet bag. You learn how to do all of these. There are too many bags and I'll not be able to show you all of them, but these are some of the bags you'll be doing when you join the class. We currently have, I think our workshop space can take 8 people in total. We currently have 4 people, or I think 4 people have already signed up, so we're just left with 4 other spaces to go. If you are interested, reach out as soon as possible and let's take it from there. So we do formal, casual bags, different types of bags, and in the end we usually host a fashion show and an exhibition. to exhibit all the works we've done. So for our bag making class, this is what we do. Our dressmaking class, we do garments for little children, and I'm going to quickly show you some of the things we've done. I may not be able to show you a lot, just a couple. And if you're interested going forward, you can register now, and as the sessions roll out, you reach out again and we'll let you. But currently we are running 3 classes. We are running dressmaking, which is already ongoing, and you can still join if you want to. And then the bag making, which is starting on the 7th, and then the millinery one, which is also going to be starting in February as well. If you're interested, reach out. I'll leave the number running at the bottom of this video. Reach out and let's have fun. Take care. Don't stress too much. Life is interesting depending on how you make it. Have a brilliant